da da da, down, down.
Hello YouTube, Hack9 Squad back with another video. Today we will be bypassing QOURA login page with HTML coding. Have you ever been reading on the page and it prompts you with a login page? If you are on high alert about your anonymity, this is the right way to find answers while remaining in the dark. Okay, let's get started.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel
First off, we have to use inspect element to remove some screen wrappers. Right click above the box and click inspect. Okay, now you should see this box with code. Copy what I removed from the code and you will achieve the bypass.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do.
And there you have it. We can now access all the information we need, and we can still remain anonymous while doing so. This works best if you are using QOURA VPN. That will make sure the security is high standards compared to the average user. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel to help this channel grow. Hack9 Squad out.
You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar,